I recently opened a Fidelity Brokerage account, and honestly, I was surprised not just by how easy it was to set up, but by how much they offer for zero commissions. If you're new to investing or thinking about switching from another platform, there are a few things you should know first. Here's my honest review of Fidelity in 2025. In this video, I'll break down everything about the Fidelity Brokerage account, how it works, what it costs, its main features, tools, and customer service, and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. If you're ready to get serious about investing, this might be the best place to start. Fidelity gives you an all-in-one platform to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and even crypto through a partner integration. Whether you're investing long-term, trading actively, or building a diversified portfolio, the account adapts to your needs. You can open an individual, joint, custodial, or retirement account. It's flexible enough for almost any goal. Now, the question everyone asks, what does it cost? Zero commissions on US stocks, ETFs, and Fidelity mutual funds. Zero account minimum to open, no annual fees. Options trades are just 65 cents per contract. That's a big deal, especially for beginners who want to start small without losing money to hidden costs. Here's where Fidelity really shines. Active Trader Pro, an advanced platform with real-time data and customizable charts. A smooth, intuitive mobile app for trading on the go. AI-powered research tools and screeners. Fractional shares, letting you buy pieces of companies like Apple or Tesla for as little as $1. Automatic investing and dividend reinvestment. It's an all-in-one ecosystem for both short-term and long-term investors. Fidelity is also one of the most established and trusted brokerages in the US. Accounts are protected with SIP insurance up to $500,000, including $250,000 in cash, two-factor authentication, real-time alerts, and account protection guarantees, so you can invest confidently. Still, it's not perfect. The platform can feel a little overwhelming for complete beginners.